think your collagen supplement is enough? Think again. As we age, especially for us women over 50, our bodies produce less collagen, the protein that keeps skin smooth and joints flexible. This natural decline can lead to wrinkles, sagging skin, and creaky joints. But here's the good news. By enjoying collagen-rich foods, you can nourish your body from within and help restore that youthful glow almost instantly from the inside out. Collagen is like the glue that holds our skin, bones, and cartilage together. Starting in our mid-20s, we lose about 1% of our collagen each year. For women, the drop is even sharper around menopause. It's estimated that up to 30% of our skin's collagen can be lost in the first 5 years after menopause. No wonder that by our 60s, we begin to notice more fine lines, joint stiffness, and changes in skin texture. Many of us have turned to powders, drinks, or collagen creams hoping to turn back the clock. But incorporating collagen-rich foods into your diet can be a more natural and effective strategy. Whole foods offer not only collagen and its amino acid building blocks, but also the essential vitamins and minerals that help your body actually use and rebuild collagen. And the best part? They taste amazing. In this video, we'll outline 8 collagen-rich foods that can help restore your collagen levels and rejuvenate your skin and joints. From warm and healing bone broth to bright citrus fruits, these superfoods are both delicious and powerful. Don't worry, we'll keep it simple, warm, and practical. These tips are designed with American women in mind, especially those looking to age with strength, confidence, and grace. Stay tuned until the end for a gentle collagen reset plan that's easy to follow. Whether you're like Susan, who wants to bring back her radiant complexion, or Margaret, who's hoping to move with less stiffness, these foods and lifestyle tips will help you look and feel your best. No needles required. Let's begin your collagen-boosting journey together. Number 1, bone broth. When it comes to collagen-rich foods, bone broth is often the star of the show. Remember the homemade chicken soup or beef stock your mother or grandmother simmered on the stove? That golden, gelatin-rich liquid is essentially collagen in a cup. Bone broth is made by simmering animal bones, like beef knuckles, chicken carcasses, or even fish bones, for many hours. This slow cooking releases collagen from the bones and connective tissues into the broth, turning it into gelatin, the stuff that makes a cooled broth wiggle like Jell-O. Sipping a warm cup of bone broth is more than just comforting. It's giving your body a direct dose of collagen proteins and amino acids. Many seniors find that drinking bone broth regularly helps their joints feel more lubricated and may even give their skin a little healthy glow. Think of it as nourishing your body from the inside out. For example, one 70-year-old woman swapped her afternoon coffee for a mug of bone broth. After a few weeks, she noticed her skin felt less dry, and her knees felt better during her evening walks. Incorporating bone broth into your routine is easy. You can drink it straight like a tea, use it as a base for soups and stews, or even swap your morning oatmeal's water with broth for a savory twist. If you like to cook, you can make your own broth from leftover roast chicken bones or beef soup bones. That way you control the ingredients and sodium. Store-bought options exist too. Just look for low-sodium, organic broths in the grocery aisle. However you enjoy it, bone broth earns its reputation as a top collagen-rich food to help restore and maintain your skin and joint health. Number 2, chicken. Next on our list of collagen-rich foods is chicken, a staple in most American kitchens. If you've ever carved a whole chicken or nibbled on chicken wings, you know they contain a lot of connective tissue and skin. That's pure collagen. In fact, many collagen supplements are made from chicken cartilage. The type of collagen found in chicken, often labeled as type 2 collagen, is especially good for joint health. It's the same stuff that helps cushion your joints, so adding chicken to your diet can deliver some of those building blocks directly where your body needs them. For example, think of a hearty chicken soup made from scratch. When you slow cook a whole chicken with the skin, bones, and joints, you're essentially creating a collagen-rich broth, much like bone broth we talked about, but also enjoying the meat itself. Have you noticed how the broth from chicken soup can gel when refrigerated? That's collagen at work. You don't have to always cook a whole chicken to get collagen benefits. Even simpler, leave the skin on your chicken thigh or drumstick once in a while. Crispy chicken skin, enjoyed in moderation, is loaded with collagen and flavor. You can roast chicken parts with a bit of garlic and herbs for a delicious meal that also sneaks in those collagen perks. If you typically prefer lean chicken breast, consider making a stew or casserole using thighs or adding some chicken stock, made from simmering bones, to boost the collagen content. By enjoying chicken in these ways, you're not just treating your taste buds, you're feeding your skin and joints valuable nutrients. Number 3, fish. Moving on to the sea. Fish is another excellent collagen-rich food that can help restore your skin's youthful bounce. When we talk about fish for collagen, we're especially interested in the parts we sometimes don't eat, the skin, bones, and scales. Ever tried crispy salmon skin or crunched on the tiny soft bones in a can of sardines? Those are full of collagen. In fact, marine collagen, collagen derived from fish, is known for being very bioavailable, meaning our bodies absorb and use it efficiently. This type of collagen is a favorite in many beauty supplements, but you can get it just by eating the right kind of seafood. Imagine you're preparing a nice fillet of salmon for dinner. To get more collagen, you might season and bake it with skin on until it's nice and crispy. Not only does that add a satisfying crunch, but you're directly consuming collagen from the skin. Or consider enjoying sardines on whole grain crackers for lunch. Those little fish are eaten with their bones, giving you a calcium and collagen boost at once. And as a bonus, the omega-3 fatty acids in fish help keep your skin moisturized and supple. It's yet another reason fish is a fantastic addition to your diet. If you can, aim to have fish with skin on or small edible bones a couple of times a week to give your body a natural marine collagen boost. Number 4, egg whites. Did you know your morning omelet might be a secret weapon for your skin? Egg whites are often included among collagen-rich foods, not because they contain collagen outright, but because they are rich in proline, an amino acid that's one of the main building blocks of collagen. Think of collagen like a long chain made of different beads, amino acids. Proline is one of those critical beads. Without enough proline, your body can't complete the collagen chains that keep your skin firm and your joints cushioned. Eggs are a familiar and affordable staple, and they're incredibly easy to add to your diet. For older adults, eggs are often recommended for their high-quality protein and nutrients. Now you have another reason to enjoy them. For instance, starting your day with a couple of scrambled eggs with an extra egg white or 2 for more protein. Give your body a direct supply of proline and glycine. These nutrients basically signal your cells to start making collagen. Try to include eggs a few times a week. Maybe an omelet with spinach, a double collagen boost, as leafy greens help too, or a simple hard-boiled egg. Egg whites provide those collagen-building amino acids, while the yolks offer other helpful nutrients like vitamin D and healthy fats. It's all about balance and getting your nutrients in a natural, delicious way. Number 5, citrus fruits. Now let's talk about citrus fruits, bright oranges, tangy grapefruits, sunny lemons, and limes. You might be thinking, wait, how do fruits count as collagen-rich foods? It's true that citrus fruits don't contain collagen in them, but they play a supporting role that's absolutely vital. Citrus fruits are packed with vitamin C, and vitamin C is like the best friend collagen could ever have. In fact, your body cannot form collagen without enough vitamin C. It's the vitamin C in your cells that helps link those collagen fibers together and stabilize them. Think of building a brick wall. Collagen is the bricks and vitamin C is the mortar that holds it all together. So while an orange or grapefruit won't directly add collagen, it gives your body something just as important, the power to make collagen. In fact, citrus fruits can supercharge your collagen-making factory. Squeeze a bit of lemon into your bone broth or enjoy an orange after a collagen-rich meal. The vitamin C helps your body use that collagen more effectively. Many people notice their skin looks brighter and plumper after a few weeks of adding more vitamin C from fruits like citrus. That's the collagen magic happening behind the scenes. For an easy habit, start your day with a glass of warm water and lemon. It's a refreshing way to get a morning dose of vitamin C. You can also enjoy half a grapefruit at breakfast, snack on an orange, or squeeze lime juice over your salad. These simple tweaks can significantly boost your vitamin C intake and help those collagen fibers knit together for firmer, healthier skin. Number 6, berries. Berries like strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries are small but mighty when it comes to supporting collagen. Berries don't contain collagen, but they help in two big ways, which is why we count them among our collagen-rich foods. They're high in vitamin C. For instance, a cup of strawberries can pack as much vitamin C as an orange, which your body uses to produce collagen. They're also packed with antioxidants like anthocyanins, the pigments giving berries their blue, purple, or red color. These antioxidants act like bodyguards for your skin's collagen, protecting it from free radicals that try to break it down. In other words, berries help you build new collagen and preserve the collagen you have, a double win for your skin. One of the best things about berries is how easy and enjoyable they are to eat. Many seniors already love berries for their natural sweetness and fiber. You can toss a few berries into your morning cereal or oatmeal, blend them into a smoothie, or just enjoy them fresh as a dessert instead of cookies. If fresh berries are expensive out of season, keep a bag of frozen berries on hand. They're just as nutritious and great in smoothies or over oatmeal. By including berries in your diet regularly, you not only satisfy your sweet tooth in a healthy way, but you also provide your skin with vitamin C and protective antioxidants. It's a sweet strategy for staying youthful. Number 7, leafy greens. We all know leafy greens like spinach, kale, and collard greens are nutritional powerhouses. But here's a lesser-known perk. They can help boost collagen, too, making them honorary collagen-rich foods in our book. How do greens help with collagen? For one, many leafy greens are rich in vitamin C, especially kale and collards. But they also contain a special plant pigment called chlorophyll. Some research has suggested that consuming chlorophyll can increase the precursor to collagen in the skin. In simple terms, chlorophyll might nudge your skin to produce more collagen. It's like giving a gentle wake-up call to the collagen factories in your dermis. Think about how a salad or a green smoothie makes you feel refreshed. Part of that is because you're flooding your body with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that fight inflammation and support all your organs, including your skin. One woman shared that her daily green smoothie with spinach, apple, and ginger made her skin look clearer and more vibrant after a month. She didn't realize it, but those greens were likely boosting her collagen levels naturally. Try adding a handful of spinach or kale to your meals each day. Blend spinach into a fruit smoothie. You won't even taste it. Or sauté kale with a bit of garlic as a side, a double collagen-friendly combo. Even a crisp romaine salad provides some collagen-supporting nutrients. The key is consistency. Enjoying greens daily means their collagen benefits quietly build up over time. Over weeks and months, you might notice your skin looks healthier and your nails and hair grow stronger. It's amazing how these humble veggies can play a role in your collagen reset. Number 8, garlic. Last but not least, let's give a shout out to garlic, a little kitchen hero among collagen-rich foods. Garlic is known for its strong flavor and health benefits, but it also packs nutrients that help your body make and preserve collagen. One key component is sulfur, responsible for garlic's strong smell. Sulfur helps form bonds that act like glue between collagen fibers, keeping them strong. Without enough sulfur, collagen can weaken or break down faster. Garlic also contains compounds like taurine and lipoic acid, which might help rebuild damaged collagen fibers. In short, a little garlic can go a long way in protecting your skin's support structure. While you're not going to eat cloves of garlic whole, please don't. Adding even a little more garlic to your cooking can have benefits. For example, you can mix a bit of fresh minced garlic into your salad dressing or even into mashed potatoes. A simple way to sneak some in every day. If raw garlic is too strong for you, roast a whole head of garlic in the oven until it's soft and mellow. You can then spread the soft roasted garlic on a piece of bread or stir it into your vegetables. It's delicious and you'll get the benefits without the sharp bite. Just remember, if raw garlic bothers your stomach, start with small amounts or use roasted garlic to avoid heartburn. By letting this flavorful bulb play a bigger role in your kitchen, you're not just warding off colds or spicing up dinner. you're actively contributing to your collagen maintenance. It's a fragrant finish to our list of collagen-rich foods. We've covered a lot, and by now it's clear that what you eat can make a big difference in how you look and feel. The key takeaway? Adding these collagen-rich foods into your daily routine can help counteract age-related collagen loss by giving your body the building blocks to repair itself. Remember, consistency is key. Small changes done regularly add up. How can you start your collagen reset? Try weaving these foods into your day. Morning, scramble eggs with spinach and have grapefruit or orange for vitamin C. Lunch, enjoy a green salad with grilled chicken topped with berries or orange slices and a garlic, olive oil dressing. Swap soda for a cup of bone broth. Snack, grab a handful of blueberries or strawberries. For an extra boost, try a few sardines on crackers. Dinner, grill or bake salmon with skin on and serve with garlic sautéed veggies. Sip some bone broth as a comforting nightcap. Also, don't forget other collagen savers. Stay hydrated, wear sunscreen to protect your skin's collagen, and get plenty of sleep. Your body repairs collagen while you snooze. By embracing this collagen reset and healthy habits, you're choosing a proactive path to age gracefully. Your skin, hair, nails, and joints will thank you, and you'll feel more radiant from the inside out.